Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on X, normally known as Twitter. So first thing first, once you log into your Twitter, so you want to go to your profile. This is my profile, okay? So this is a post I pinned already. All right, so to pin and unpin a post on Twitter, all you have to do is click on these three dots right here. All right, as you can see, it says unpin from profile. So I'm gonna unpin it and then pin it again. This is the post I want to pin on my Twitter. So all you have to do is just click on this three button and then click on pin to your profile. All right, all you have to do is click on pin. Right, your post would have been pinned on your profile right here. All right, so if you're sending out a new post, all right, let me write a new post, and then you want to pin this post to your profile. So all you have to do is just post it. Once you post it, you can see my post right here. Just click on these three buttons right here and click on pin to profile. Okay, so this is the easiest way to pin a post to your profile on X, normally known as Twitter. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.